My name is SHAIKH FARIDUDDIN. I am from Odisha. I have completed my Masters in Computer Application in the year of 2025 with a CGPA of 8.4. After that, to enhance my skills, I joined Qspiders Punjagutta in the month of July. So I just going through the software testing course. In that I am having manual testing, then API testing, SQL, Java and Selenium. So for all these things I am having some trainers. Like for the manual testing I am having Hemant sir and Puneet sir who guided me a lot. And for API testing and the basic Selenium, Varsini madam teach me a lot of these things. And for SQL I am having the trainers Gagandeep sir. And for Java, Rick sir is the trainer. And from beginning itself, I am not having that much of confidence and knowledge about all these things. So for that, the mocks and the presentation and the intensive classes also will give me a proper route and all these things, so that I got great. Thank you, Qspiders.